Must be.
I'll go fly out there and see what happens.
We're at the Walmart parking lot, and there seems to be a million birds out here. I'm not exactly sure why.
Watch them. Flocking to her throwing food at them. They're throwing food out there.
Oh my God. You gotta be kidding me.
Throw one more.
Golly.
If a bird comes and eats your face. Oh my gosh.
Throw it, Landon.
He
Throw
did.
it. Oh.
That's just it.
Oh my God. Look at all these birds. This is insane.
I want to do it.
Hello, birdies.
Here, throw a nugget out there. Landon, here, throw a nugget.
I want to throw a nugget. I want to do it. I want to do it down. I want to do it.
I hope this ain't illegal.
I want to turn.
Wait, let Kara do it. Do it real
All the
hard,
other
Kara.
cars watching.
Whoops.
This is my turn, Mom. My turn.
Kara, try one more time.
Okay.
That's disturbing that they're that hungry. Throw it way out the window, real good. Oh man, there's two nuggets right behind you, Mitch. Watch Daddy do it.
I want to do it, Mom.
No, that's all.
I want to flies,
Look at
Mom.
all the attention they're getting.
I want
Man,
to
that's
flies,
good.
Mom.
Look at the little girl.
Where's that other nugget?
There was two right behind you.
I want to turn. That's my nugget.
A hard piece of bread.
Sure, throw it out there.
Holy cow. There's one right below us.
Here's some old nuggets from the other day.
I want
Or
to
chicken.
flies,
Have-
Mom. I want to turn. I want to flies. I want to flies, Mom.
Say put.
I want to. Let us turn do this. There's every bird.
Alright, watch this.
I want to turn. Let's turn. Want to floss. I want to floss.
No, that's all. There's a whole nother set right there.
Oh, no.
What do they normally eat that's not out there?
I don't have a clue.
I want flies. What is hungry? My flies.
If they don't steal my phone.
They're there.
Well, it's a good thing y'all said y'all weren't hungry then.
That's amazing.